This is a short video to show you how to use the IXL Diagnostic. The first thing you need to do is you're logging into IXL on your browser. So you're going to go to IXL.com. And you want to log into, you want to choose on the screen bar, you're choosing diagnostic. And if you do that, and you do have to log in with your username and password, you're going to step into the arena. And another thing you want to make sure that you do is over here on the side, it has you choose math and language arts, or just math, or just language arts. So we're going to click on math because we're doing a diagnostic for math. And then to get started, you are just picking one of these questions, and then you're just going to answer the questions that come up. If you're doing a skill and you've never learned it, you can just click on I don't know this yet. So you can click on that, and then that's part of the diagnosis as well. I believe IXL recommends doing this about 10 to 15 questions a week. We can do it more often as part of our skill practice during our distance learning. So it's very easy. And then once the diagnosis can only be done on the IXL website, and then the skills can be practiced on your iPad.